Hello friends, in last lecture we have discussed concept of black body. What is black body, opaque body, white body, gray body with definitions, right? Next we have to discuss laws of radiations, right? There are few laws of radiation. First, Stephen Boltzmann law. Stephen Boltzmann's law states that the emissive power of a black body is directly proportional to the fourth power of its absolute temperature. That means there is emissive power of a black body is directly proportional to fourth power of its absolute temperature. So EB is equals to sigma T raised to 4, where sigma is equals to Stephen Boltzmann constant, and value of sigma is equals to 5.67 into 10 raised to minus 8 and watt per meter square Kelvin, right? Then EB can be written as 5.67 T raised to 100 raised to 4, T divided by 100 raised to 4. This is all about the Stephen Boltzmann law, right? Next, second law, Kirchhoff's law. Kirchhoff's law. What is the statement of that at any temperature, the ratio of total emissive power to the total absorptivity alpha is constant for all substance which are in thermal equilibrium with their environment. What is the statement? At any temperature, the ratio of emissive power E and absorptivity alpha is constant for all substances which are in thermal equilibrium. What is thermal equilibrium? That there is no temperature change with their environment, right? This is Kirchhoff's law. So in this there is explanation for this law. Let us consider a large radiating body of surface area A, which encloses a small body having surface area A1. Let the energy fall on the unit surface with rate EB, that is EB. From this EB, a fraction alpha will be absorbed by the small body, right? This is total emission fall on the unit body A1, but some part of this emission will get absorbed, reflect or transmit. Let alpha, this is EB, from this fraction alpha will be absorbed by small body. This energy absorbed by small body is, that is energy absorbed by alpha 1 A1 and EB, in which alpha 1 is absorptivity of the body. When thermal equilibrium is attained, suppose thermal equilibrium is attained, the energy absorbed by body must equal to energy emitted, right? So we can write E1 per unit surface. Thus in equilibrium A1 E1 is equals to alpha 1 A1 EB, right? Now we remove body 1 and replace body 2. Suppose remove body 1 and replace by 2, then equation becomes A2 E2 is equals to alpha 2 A2 EB, right? From equation 1 and 2, EB is equals to E1 by alpha 1 is equals to E2 by alpha 2 is equals to E by alpha, right? As per definition, we have proved that when emissive power to the alpha absorptivity ratio is constant when bodies are in thermal equilibrium with their environment. We have for emissivity, that is E divided by EB. What is E divided by EB? Emissive power of any body to the emissive power of a black body. This is called as emissivity, right? Put EB is equals to E by alpha, E by emissivity, right? Epsilon. So from this equation and this equation, we can write as E by emissivity is equals to E by alpha, right? Then E get cancelled, means alpha is equals to epsilon. This is another one statement. This is another one statement for the Kirchhoff's law, right? Alpha is smaller than 1, obviously. Therefore, the emissive power E is always smaller than the emissive power of a black body, right? The maximum emissive power is for only black body. Thus, Kirchhoff's law also states that emissivity of a body is equal to its absorptivity when body remains in a thermal equilibrium with their environment, right? This is you can write this will ask for 5 marks. You can write from this any statement, right? This is the Kirchhoff's law. Then next, Planck's law. Planck's law, very simple. This is very simple. Planck's law. Planck's law, right? In 19, Max Planck showed by quantum argument that the spectral distribution of radiation intensity of black body is given by, then this is about the spectral means wavelength emission. E lambda of a black body is equals to 2 pi c square h lambda raised to minus 5 divided by exponential of ch divided by lambda kt minus 1. This is Planck's law. He proved this statement, right? Where E lambda b is equal to monochromatic emissive power of black body. Monochromatic emissive power of black body. Next, c is equals to velocity of light in vacuum. Velocity of light in vacuum, which is equals to 2.998 into 10 raised to 8, which is equals to 3 into 10 raised to 8. H is equals to Planck's constant, value is equals to 6.625 into 10 raised to minus 34 joule second. lambda is equals to wavelength, that is mu micrometer. K is equals to Boltzmann constant, which is equals to 1.3805 into 10 raised to minus 23, and T is equals to absolute temperature. Hence, by putting the values E lambda B is equals to C1 lambda raised to 5 divided by exponential of C2 by lambda T minus 1, where C1 is equals to 2 pi C square H, which is equals to 3.742 into 10 raised to minus 16, and C2 is equals to CH by K, which is equals to 1.4388 into 10 raised to minus 2 micrometer Kelvin. Right? This is the very useful equation, this Planck's law. Thank you. Later on we discuss Wien's displacement law, intensity of radiation. Thank you.